Have you ever tried to reach out to a bank and felt like you were navigating a labyrinth of phone menus and online forms? Today, we're going to cut through the red tape and show you exactly how to contact Lunar Bank Denmark. Imagine you're trying to access your money on a holiday weekend, but Lunar Bank's website is down. What do? Panic? Well, don't. Lunar Bank is a popular digital bank known for its innovative features and user-friendly interface. But when you need to get in touch with them, things can sometimes get a little tricky. That's why we're here to guide you through the process. 1. Online chat. The easiest and often quickest way to contact Lunar Bank is through their online chat. Simply visit their website and look for the chat icon, usually located in the bottom right corner. When you click on it, a chat window will appear where you can type your query. Lunar Bank's customer support team is generally responsive and helpful. 2. Email. If you prefer to send a detailed message or have attachments, email is another option. You can find Lunar Bank's email address on their website, usually in the Contact Us section. When composing your email, be sure to include your account number, the nature of your inquiry, and any relevant information. 3. Social media. Lunar Bank is active on various social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. You can try reaching out to them through direct messages on these platforms. While this might not be the most efficient method, it can sometimes be effective, especially for quick queries or general inquiries. 4. Phone. In some cases, you might need to speak to someone over the phone. Lunar Bank provides a phone number on their website. Be prepared to wait on hold, as phone support can sometimes be busy. However, speaking to a representative can be helpful for complex issues or when you need immediate assistance. 5. In person. Lunar Bank doesn't have physical branches, so you can't visit a location in person. However, they might have partner locations or ATMs where you can inquire about your account or services. Tips. Before contacting Lunar Bank, try searching their website or FAQs for answers to your questions. This can save you time and effort. Be clear and concise in your communication to ensure a faster resolution. If you're not satisfied with the response you receive, don't hesitate to escalate your complaint or request to speak to a supervisor. While contacting Lunar Bank might seem daunting at first, with the right approach, you can get the assistance you need. Remember, the most effective method for you will depend on the nature of your query and your personal preferences. So, the next time you need to reach out to Lunar Bank, don't panic. Simply follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to resolving your issue. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy banking.